So this is operator overloading, and what this does is basically um, getting rid of function names and using operators to do calculations, which is pretty weird, and we have never done anything like this before. And to be honest, it's a pretty odd syntax to use, and we don't really use it in our program a lot, but so you're not gonna see this very often. But it's still good to know how this works and what it does, just in a very, very complicated way. Okay, so I'm gonna be going through this and talk about what each line does. Now, first we have created a object. Um, yes, object. And we have passed in a value which is 34. And since we have this function, the Sally function in here, we know whenever we pass in an integer, we immediately set this value to num. So now this num equals the number we have passed in. So that makes the num equal to 34. And since we have done the same thing, we have passed in another object in B, which is 21. This now also stores 21. But when it's up to the C object, since there isn't a parameter for this object, we go up here looking. So this one doesn't have any specified object. Therefore, it just stores it as it is. Okay, so let's move down and get to the parts where I don't even know what's going on. I mean, I was confused up here, but this part is just more confusing. So what we have done here is we made the C object equals to the value of A object, adding B object. Right, since now it has a plus sign in it, we go to the function we have created here. Um, we mentioned Sally twice, and we have operator Sally ASO, Sally brand new. Okay, I see what's going on here. We have created another object, and this object takes the number. So the first number, which is 34, and plus the second number, which is 21. Right, since that stores the second number. And then it returns another brand new number, which is the sum of the two numbers. So now we just go back to here and and we print out c.num. And I'm not sure where that is mentioned. C. Oh, because we have created the class C here, and we have made that equal to the sum of the upper two. When we print this out, it will print out the sum of 34 and 21, which is 55. And that is great. That's exactly what we want. But there definitely is more things to clarify. And this definitely is not the simplest way to, do the same calculation. But without talking too much, that's our tutorial about operator overloading. And thank you.